Welcome to Kent Giving Week. My name is Daniel, I'm a student here at the University of Kent. Now the cost of living crisis has hit us all very hard, but for some students this has become a choice between their education and buying groceries. That's why this year we're aiming to raise £25,000 so that we can provide 10,000 meals for those students who need it most.
The cost of living at the moment is, as a student, you just find that every little thing that you need to buy is, just going up in price. I try and pick the cheapest options when it comes to food, but it's just the essential things like laundry detergent, washing up stuff. These things are just creeped up in price, and it just adds to your total bill. You just try and cut back on whatever you can, and food tends to be that option.
Usage has quadrupled in the past year, especially with the cost of living crisis. Over Christmas we had a lot of people who having to choose between heating and eating. It's hard at the moment to keep up with the demand because the supply is running dry, and it's really hard when a student comes in and we don't have enough to give them, because it's taken that confidence for them to come in and ask, and then we kind of have to say, this is all we've got, I'm really, really sorry. But if you can give anything, it doesn't matter how small, every little helps.
That is where you come in. We are looking for people to help us raise that money so that we can hopefully provide those 10,000 meals. Thank you.